not a fan. That's a full-blown weather event. Roset breeze and summoned a hurricane. You don't sleep under that thing. You take shelter. Turn it on once, and the whole house qualifies for wind tunnel testing. That fan's spinning so hard, even the air gave up resisting. It's not cooling anybody down. It's threatening the structural integrity of the house. Ceiling said, if I fall, we all fall. You don't need AC with that thing. You need insurance. That thing reversed direction once, and the earth lost 2 seconds. The fan's creating lift. Air traffic control had to get involved. Turn it on long enough, and clouds start forming indoors. Every time it spins, his ancestors feel a breeze. Turn that thing on, and birds outside start migrating early. You don't sleep under that fan. You enter orbit. Turn it off. It'll probably keep spinning till next Thursday.